Welcome to MWR Financial, home of the instant pay raise and everything you need to make wealth real. Before we get started, let me ask you a quick question. If I could show you how to immediately increase your income and your existing paycheck, while a team of experts improved every area of your financial life all at the same time, would you want to know more? Of course you would. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you how MWR Financial has created the most realistic, affordable, and profitable way to make all of this happen. However, before I show you how we do this, let's talk about why we do this. I'll start by saying, the system that worked for your parents or grandparents could have you working for the rest of your life. Think about it. How is the system working for you now? You know, the one we've all been taught that says to get a good education so that we can get a good job, and then what? We end up giving 1/3 of our income to the government just to pay taxes. We then use credit to make up the difference or to finance the lifestyle we want, which causes us to give another 1/3 of our income to the banks just to service our debts. We're then left with the remaining 1/3 of our income to cover our normal living expenses and the overwhelming task of trying to figure out how to save or invest enough for retirement. Sounds depressing, right? Well, the bad news is, you're not alone. According to Forbes.com, the greatest retirement crisis in American history is happening right now. Money Q&A also did an article on why professional athletes are going broke and why you are too, pointing out that these challenges affect everyone, not just the poor and middle class. MarketWatch says most Americans are one paycheck away from the streets. And NASDAQ points out that most Americans will retire broke. Sound familiar? Well, here's the good news. We have a better system. You see, our mission here at MWR Financial is to provide you with the same strategies and experts used by the wealthy to overcome the financial challenges created by our tax, credit, banking, and educational systems. Why? Because the results don't lie. These systems have more than 78% of Americans living paycheck to paycheck, over 70% paying too much in taxes, and more than 80% struggling with credit challenges because they're financing a lifestyle instead of ever being able to own it. This is exactly why most Americans are buried in debt, with less than $5,000 saved by age 65. Hashtag this stops today. And it all starts with our instant pay raise. This is our proven strategy to increase the take-home pay of over 150 million W-2 employees, starting with their very next paycheck. Here's how it works. Number 1, our experts will immediately help you stop overpaying your taxes and letting the government use your money all year long interest-free. They will then help you use the home-based business tax laws to increase your deductions so you can pay less and keep even more of your hard-earned money. Why? Because it's not just how much you make, it's how much you keep that counts. The first step in this process is to help you stop overpaying the IRS. This is one of the biggest financial mistakes most Americans make. We've been conditioned to think that a tax refund is a good thing, and we treat it like a savings account, even though we get zero interest on our deposits. How crazy is that? Most of us see the word refund on our tax return, but we never pay attention to the part where it says your refund is really the amount you overpaid. Think about that for a second. When are you ever happy about overpaying for anything? If you bought a pair of shoes on Black Friday that was supposed to be on sale and you got home and found out you paid full price, would you wait till the next Black Friday to get your money back? I don't think so. This is why it makes absolutely no sense to give your money to the government all year long, interest-free, and wait 12 to 15 months to get it back. By the way, did Uncle Sam ever thank you for your interest-free loan? Probably not. And that's why our experts want to help you put this money back in your pocket now. And to make it easy, our experts will adjust your W-4 form for you so you don't make any mistakes and you can start seeing this money on your very next paycheck. But it doesn't stop there. Our next step is to help you legally use the home-based business tax laws to pay even less. To qualify, you first need a home-based business with the intent to make a profit, and you must be an active participant in that business. If you don't already have a business, we can provide you with an MWR home-based business where you'll have the ability to make a profit by simply referring others. The next thing you'll need is proper record keeping, and the expenses you claim must be considered ordinary and necessary. We take care of this by providing you with our TaxBot app to automatically track your mileage and expenses. And best of all, our experts will help you analyze and convert your eligible personal expenses into legitimate home-based business expenses. Imagine being able to deduct the things you spend money on every day, like mileage, cell phones, internet, meals, travel, medical expenses, and even your children. This can potentially increase your deductions by tens and even hundreds of thousands of dollars, allowing you to take advantage of the #1 strategy used by the wealthy to pay less and keep more of their money. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you we can prove it first? By simply entering just 7 of the over 180 deductions available to home-based business owners into our Instant Pay Raise Estimator, we can provide you with a conservative estimate of just how much we can help you increase your take-home pay every month. As a matter of fact, our Instant Pay Raise strategy is saving our members that qualify an average of $300 to $600 or more per month, and you could be next. With that said, what would an Instant Pay Raise do for you and your family? Would you be able to improve your current and/or future lifestyle, catch up on some past due bills, or maybe eliminate some debts? How about being able to give more to your favorite church or charity, or maybe just live better, while being able to save or invest more for retirement? For some of you, this may be just what you've been looking for to relieve some financial stress, or take that much-needed vacation. The good news is, it's your money. And now that it's back in your pocket, the choice is yours. However, helping you get an instant pay raise is just the beginning. Now it's time to help you maximize every area of your financial life. Introducing MWR's Financial Edge membership, your own personal team of financial experts that use proven strategies to secure you and your family's financial future. Did you know the #1 reason most people fail or struggle with their finances is due to who and where they get their financial advice from? MoneyMax remedies this by giving you unlimited financial advice on demand with real financial experts, CPAs, certified financial planners, and enrolled agents with the IRS that can provide you with the answers to virtually any financial matter. And they do it without you having to pay them $200 to $300 per hour. These experts can help you maximize your tax deductions while also providing you with ongoing support for our Instant Pay Raise strategy. They'll even review your last 3 years' tax returns for potential mistakes to see if they can get you even more money back now. And you'll even get a free subscription to TaxBot so you can automate all of your mileage and expense tracking. By having your own personal team of MoneyMax experts, you'll never have to worry about making another bad financial decision again. But we're not done yet. With over 80% of Americans paying the price for less than perfect credit, our Credit Max credit restoration experts can help you restore or rebuild your credit back to the best shape possible. As a matter of fact, the Financial Edge members that use this service typically experience an average credit score increase of 50 to 150 points or more. This type of increase in your credit scores could literally save you hundreds and even thousands of dollars every month on your interest rates, down payments, and even your car or homeowner's insurance premiums, creating even more cash flow for you and your family. And believe it or not, these savings don't just apply to people with bad credit. As you can see in this example, a credit score increase of just 29 points for someone with an above-average credit score could still save thousands on the things they're spending money on every month. However, MWR Financial doesn't just want to help you reduce the cost of your debts. We want to help you totally eliminate them. Why? Because debt is one of the biggest financial challenges for most Americans to overcome. And as long as you're paying interest, that's money you can't save, invest, or pay yourself. But don't worry, we've got this covered too. By simply plugging all of your debts into our Equity Max debt elimination system, you'll receive monthly statements that show you how to pay off every debt you owe, including your mortgage, in record time, while still keeping your same job, same income, and your same monthly budget. Let's take a quick look at how this works. In this example, the average American family has approximately $209,000 in debt, and they're currently paying $29.85 per month to service this debt. As you can see, they have the same amount of debt and the same monthly payment on their creditor's plan as they do on our Equity Max plan. But here's the difference. If they continue following their creditor's plan, they will remain in debt for 29 years and spend over $233,000 in interest alone. However, by following our Equity Max plan, we will have them out of debt in less than 8 years, and they will only pay about $73,000 in interest. That's a savings of over 21 years off their time in debt and almost $160,000 in interest. Not to mention, they can now use their $2,985 per month to build wealth for their family, instead of continuing to make their creditors even wealthier. At this point, it's now time for our WealthMax experts to help you get your money making even more money for you. With WealthMax, you'll have unlimited consultations with real wealth strategists that specialize in developing the right wealth plan for you, while also providing you with the best ways to save, grow, and protect your money tax-free, with no risk of loss. Imagine becoming your own private bank, where you can benefit from stock market gains without ever having to participate in those scary losses. And you can even borrow from yourself while the money you borrowed continues to earn interest, as if it never left your account. I bet your old 401k can't do that. Or how would you like to buy land at 20 to 40% below market value in the path of growth without ever having to write a check? These are the same strategies previously reserved for the wealthiest people in the world. And thanks to MWR Financial, they're now available to you. But that's not all. Using these wealth-building strategies, our WealthMax experts can turn your tax, credit, and debt savings into a passive income that can make wealth a reality for you and your family. Think about it. With an average monthly savings of $300 to $600 or more with our instant pay raise, plus $300 or more through credit restoration, and $2,985 per month thanks to debt elimination, that's over $3,500 per month that can be used to save or invest. And with an average annual return rate of 6 to 12% using our private reserve account or land banking strategies, you could literally become a debt-free multi-millionaire in record time. As you can see, our Financial Edge membership gives you everything you need to succeed with strategies and experts that actually do the work for you. For just $79.97 per month with no contracts and no setup fees, you and your spouse can now have a complete Financial Strategies membership that will keep you from ever taking chances with your family's financial future again. However, as much as I love how our strategies and experts can help you make wealth real, I'm also a big believer that making more money is the best way to accelerate this process. And MWR Financial has created the perfect platform for you to make this happen by allowing you to partner with us and own your own MWR financial business. All you have to do is share our instant pay raise strategy, membership, and opportunity with others, and you can start earning multiple streams of income today. Think about it. We all know hundreds of people that want to do better financially or that want to make more money. However, with just our instant pay raise strategy alone, you'll have access to a target market of over 150 million W-2 employees that would love to increase their take-home pay immediately. With that said, how many W-2 employees do you know that would like an instant pay raise? All of them, right? Well, let's take a look at how you can simply share MWR Financial with each of them and start earning a guaranteed income today. Let me start by saying, we pay daily. Starting with our customer bonuses. When you share our Financial Edge membership with others, you can earn $40 on every customer you personally enroll. And when you enroll 3 or more customers, your Financial Edge membership is absolutely free for as long as your customers remain active. But it gets even better. You'll also earn a $10 monthly residual income on all the customers you personally enroll after your first 3. And when any of your customers refer new customers, not only can they make their membership free, but you can also earn a $40 bonus on all of their referrals. And these bonuses pay through infinity. This means your customers and your customers' customers can help you increase your income. You can create even more leverage and grow your income even faster by sharing this amazing opportunity with others. And to help you get off to a fast start, MWR Financial offers momentum bonuses. By personally enrolling 3 qualified financial directors in your first 30 days, you'll earn a $150 momentum bonus. And when you help those 3 enroll their first 3 qualified directors in your first 60 days, you'll earn another $450. And by simply helping those 9 do the same thing in your first 90 days, you can earn another $900 for a total of $1,500 in momentum bonuses to you. But this is just the beginning. As you rise through the ranks with MWR Financial, you'll get to benefit from our leadership expansion bonuses. With these bonuses, you can earn $50 up to $125 for every qualified financial director you personally enroll, and up to $75 on the qualified directors that join your organization through unlimited levels. You'll also qualify for our leadership customer residuals, where you can earn up to $8 per customer that your team enrolls. And these residuals also pay through unlimited levels. But it doesn't stop there. MWR Financial also wants to reward you for helping your new team members succeed. That's why they also pay you a 25% check match on all the qualified commissions earned by your personally enrolled directors. Just imagine your daily earnings if you personally enrolled 10, 20, or 30 directors that each earned hundreds or even thousands of dollars every day. The possibilities are endless, but it gets even better. If your dream is to own a luxury vehicle, then MWR Financial can help you get behind the wheel with one of the easiest to achieve luxury vehicle bonuses in the industry. Qualifying for these bonuses can put $500, $1,250, or $3,000 a month in your pocket to pay for the luxury vehicle of your choice. And our $3,000 bonus can be even used towards the purchase of your dream home. However, one of the most exciting parts of our compensation plan is our daily guarantee. This is not just any income. It's a guaranteed monthly residual income that comes in month after month for something you do just one time. Here's how it works. Let's say you shared MWR Financial with Jenny, Lisa, and John, who each got started as qualified financial directors, and you personally enrolled one outside customer yourself. You would immediately qualify to earn $5 daily or $150 per month in daily guaranteed residual income. But there's a lot more where that came from. Because our daily guaranteed income goes all the way up to $1,000 per day or $30,000 per month. With that said, let's take a look at what would happen if you helped 3 people get an instant pay raise and taught them to do the same. You already know enrolling your first 3 qualified financial directors and 1 outside customer would qualify you for $5 per day or $150 per month. However, when you help those 3 enroll their first 3 QFDs, you would now have 9 QFDs on your second level, or a total of 12 on your team. This would give you $600 per month, or $7,200 per year in residual income. Add that with an instant pay raise of $300 to $600 per month, and you could literally be bringing home $1,000 or more per month. Think about that. What would an extra $10,000 to $15,000 per year do for you and your family? For most people, this would be life-changing, but we're not done yet. Because when those 9 help 3 who help 3, and this continues through just 5 more levels, you would end up with over 3,200 qualified financial directors on your team. This would give you more than enough to qualify for $1,000 per day or $30,000 per month in daily guaranteed residual income for you. Now, if $30,000 per month isn't enough, then you'll definitely want to qualify for our Presidential Club bonuses that can pay you an additional $500 up to $100,000 per month in guaranteed income. And by helping your team members reach Presidential Club status, you can earn an extra 25 to 50% bonus match on all of their presidential bonuses. Sounds incredible, right? Well, if you're excited now, then you may want to make sure you're sitting down for this next part. In other words, viewer discretion is advised, and the following may be offensive to anyone not serious about supplementing, replacing, or creating the income they've always dreamed of. But seriously, let me introduce you to our 6-figure guaranteed income strategy using the power of you combined with just our daily guaranteed income and our presidential bonuses. MWR Financial has created one of the easiest to achieve 6-figure residual income strategies in the industry. Here's how it works. Instead of enrolling just 3 QFDs and teaching them to do the same, like we showed in our previous examples, let's say you decide to take control of your income and growth by enrolling 12 QFDs yourself. This would immediately qualify you for $600 per month, or $7,200 per year in daily guaranteed income. But it gets even better, because when those 12 enroll an average of just 5 each, who enroll 3 each, who enroll just 2 each, this would give you a team of 612 QFDs, and as you can see, with as few as 584 on your team, you could be earning $6,000 per month in daily guaranteed income, while also qualifying for level 3 of our presidential bonuses for another $2,500 per month. That's $8,500 per month, or a total of $102,000 per year to you. Oh, and did I mention this would also qualify you for Tier 3 of our Luxury Vehicle Club bonuses? That would put another $3,000 per month in your pocket towards the luxury vehicle and or home of your choice. In other words, 12, 5, 3, 2 can create $102,000 per year for you to use for whatever you want. While your car and home are being paid for, by MWR Financial. By now, I'm sure you realize that MWR Financial isn't just any business. It's the perfect business for you. Think about it. You can get an instant pay raise, refer others to MWR Financial, let our experts do all the work, and you get to enjoy the rewards. To take advantage of everything MWR Financial has to offer, you'll want to get started by becoming an MWR Financial business owner for a one-time setup fee of $99 and $40 per month. This will give you all of the tools, materials, and training you need to get your business off to a fast start and the ability to get paid to refer others. You'll then want to add a Financial Edge membership, which includes our Money Max tax reduction experts and our TaxBot automated mileage and expense tracker. This gives you everything you need to qualify for an instant pay raise. Plus, you'll also receive our credit restoration, debt elimination, and wealth generation strategies and experts. All of this is included in our Financial Edge membership for just $79.97 per month for both you and your spouse, giving you a total startup cost of just $228.97. That includes your first month's business and membership fees of $119.97, all of which can be totally covered by an instant pay raise of $120 per month or more. In other words, we figured out how to put your tax money back to work for you instead of Uncle Sam, which is just one of the many things that separates us from virtually any other opportunity in the industry. Think about it. Almost everyone you know wants to own their own business, but with more than 78% of the population living paycheck to paycheck, coming up with the money to get started can sometimes be a challenge. Well, not anymore. With an average instant pay raise of $300 to $600 or more per month, and less than $120 per month to have everything MWR Financial has to offer, we've eliminated this challenge by creating a business that can put more money in your pocket every month than what it costs, resulting in a business that pays for itself. And if that's not enough, we've decided to make this decision even easier by guaranteeing your success. You heard me right. By simply following our plan of action, which can all be done within your first 24 hours, we guarantee to save or make you more money in your first 30 days, or we will give you a full refund. This means there's absolutely no risk to you, and the only way you can lose is if you choose not to participate. So, what are you waiting for? Timing is everything in business, and your time is the most valuable asset you have. Once it's gone, you'll never get it back. So don't waste another minute. Get back to the MWR Financial representative that invited you to view this presentation. Get all of your questions answered and take control of your financial future today. Thanks again for your time, and let me be the first to welcome you to the MWR Financial family.